Rockstar Games decided to release the trailer of the sixth game in the Grand Theft Auto series prematurely on Monday, 4th of December, due to an online leak of the video. Originally created in 1997 by DMA Design, later known as Rockstar North, Grand Theft Auto has achieved both critical and commercial success, accompanied by its fair share of controversy. In the teaser, it was confirmed that the game will be set in a fictionalized version of Miami, known as Vice City. Belonging to the Grand Theft Auto series, this game serves as a follow-up to GTA 5, which launched in 2013 and currently holds the title of the second best-selling video game in history following Minecraft. The launch of Grand Theft Auto 6 has been a topic of fervent anticipation within the gaming community, and the release of an official trailer was met with enthusiasm. However, the projected release date set for 2025, coupled with the absence of a specific launch day, led to a somewhat muted response from analysts and investors, with share price falling today over 2%. The extended timeline for the game's release raised concerns about the potential impact on Take-Two Interactive's short-term financial performance and market positioning. It is worth mentioning, though, that the company's share price has climbed around 60% this year, and this most recent news may be a key reason why this move may be extended even further. On the other hand, it seems like from a technical perspective, the price has encountered resistance, and it still remains to be seen if it will manage to break through it or if the downward move will continue. To find Take-Two Interactive stock on XStation, you can simply search for the stock name in the search bar in the app, and you can easily open a trade either in real stock or in CFDs. Subscribe to XTB to stay up to date with the latest trading and investing news.